everyone, I'm back with another wig review, and this one is from Friday Night Hair. I haven't reviewed one of their wigs in a minute. Have I? I don't know. I think the last one I did was that red one. I think that was before my birthday, so yeah, it's been a little while. So this one is Gls115. She's a gorgeous blue color with some black and then like some white streaks, it looks like. But you don't really get much parting space like at all on this wig, so I didn't even bother parting it. Like I just kind of like shook my head and flipped it or whatever and let it just settle and fall where it wanted to, and this is what it did. And it did have quite a little part right here, and I just cut some baby hairs, just a little bit, and just put some conditioner on it, no gel, and just like brushed it down. Right now this piece right here, like this right here already has like little short pieces and stuff in it, and it's like framing my face a little bit. But this side doesn't. Like this side is just super long. Like this is one long piece in the front. So I'm just gonna go in and just cut just into this piece right here. I'm gonna leave everything else like pretty much how it is. There we go. So much better. For it to be long, like my little brush is getting through it like pretty good. You are gonna get tangles, of course. Okay, so let's look at the hairline really quick. I'm gonna comb it back some. So this is the hairline. It's not as plucked as some of their other ones are, so eventually when I have the time I'll go back in and pluck it. Let me push all of it to the front so as y'all can see. And the hair is on the longer side. Unstretched, it's about to my waist at its longest. So yeah, it's quite long, y'all. It's quite a bit of hair. But I think the color, I really didn't get it for the style. I got it for the color because it was just so different. I haven't had a color like this at all. I mean, I've had blue before, but it's never had like these cute like light bluish white streaks in them. I think they're white or gray. They one of those colors. And I hadn't really seen too many people doing reviews on this wig. Like when it comes to Friday Night Hair, I reviewed so many of their wigs that it's like I don't know what to do next. I think it's a really cute wig. Definitely probably not gonna be everybody's, you know, cup of tea or whatever, but the color is super gorgeous. I really love how it is. It is a bit on the silkier side, but it's not like extremely shiny, which I love. There's not much I can say about this wig. So the pros is I definitely love the color. I love the style of it. Yeah, I do wish there was more parting space when it comes to their units. This is a hard lace unit, and you know with their hard lace units you don't get really enough parting, especially when it comes to side parts, and y'all know I love me a side part. There are wigs that have the soft lace tend to have more lace on it, so that's just FYI if you've never shopped with them before and you're looking for a wig that has a longer part. Definitely go to the description and make sure that the parting is like the inches in the parting is there, because they're hard lace ones, you ain't getting nothing at all. So yeah, that's really about it. Do I have any cons? Yes, it sheds a whole lot. Like when I say it sheds a lot, it sheds a lot, and I don't know if it's gonna get any better, but right now, and in the beginning when I first had put the wig on, it was a lot of hairs coming out, and there's still a lot of hairs coming out. So yeah, it does shed a lot. It does tangle. Tangling isn't that bad. It's not as bad as the shedding is. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say. This once again is from FridayNightHair.com. This is Gls115. I'll leave the color down below because I lost the card and I don't really remember what color I got it in, but I'll make sure to have that below for you guys, as well as the website, so that you guys can go purchase it if you choose to. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that this helped. I hope that helped y'all find a new style or whatever. I will see you guys in my next video.